So hey world, welcome to my channel. I'm going to react to celebrity warm up, how famous singers train their voices. So today, instead of, doing a vocal compilation, well, there probably is going to be a vocal compilation on the same day as this video. So, okay, so this video, this video is going to be about how they train their voice in the vocal warm-ups. I guess we'll see. I mean, I don't know nothing else about this video, so skimming through it, we got Celine, Christine, Alara, Justin Bieber. You know what? Let's see. Let's just leave the rest as a surprise. I don't want to skim through it and find Camilla. Now me just throwing her into it. This is the trauma from the good versus bad vocal runs, in case you don't know and you haven't watched that series that I reacted to. Go watch it. That's why I'm reacting to this to Justin. But I guess this isn't runs, this is vocal warm-ups, I guess. So every singer, see what I mean? Sometimes the notes. Can I speak? What the fuck? I know how to say the words, but sometimes when I say them, they sound weird. Like, who says singers? But like I was saying, every singer needs vocal warm-ups, right? They don't need to be the best vocalists. They could be like a Britney Spears who barely sings type of singer, but they still have to keep their voices healthy. So I do understand Justin being here on this compilation. That was just a trauma response. Link in the description for the compilation, my social media, Patreon, Discord, and also click the join button if you want to know more about the memberships here on YouTube. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. No, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I don't know what's going on today, but fuck it. Let's just roll with it.
Why do you need that?
What I usually do is that there's a compilation on YouTube that it's like a 5-minute vocal warm-up, and so I do that when I'm gonna sing karaoke or do a cover. Sometimes I do it before I even record a video so that my voice is like, I didn't do it today. But sure, whatever. Because I do think the warm-ups are very tedious. It's boring. You have to do the same shit over and over and over and over. I mean, I guess, yes, so that when you're singing it sounds better. Or it sounds, that your voice is prepared to sing. But it's just so boring. Even doing the 5-minute video, I'm like, oh, when is this gonna end, Jesus? Wait, how did she do it? I like doing the lip roll. And while getting a massage. Oh, she sound good.
I always begin my vocal warm-ups with falsettos.
This is the best she looked. Let me just say, she's not fat here, so I don't know why she went skinnier the way she is now. This is the best. Look, she got some tits. Her waist, tiny. Love the hair. The face, pretty. But now she looks so tiny, she looks like a kid, I swear. This is her best look. I don't know why she didn't like stay like this. I don't know why she looks so tiny. She took too much Ozempic. I don't even know how you take it, but she took too much. I mean, she does have a good head voice, so makes sense.
Now that we're a little more open, try to take in a good deep breath before you sustain this scale.
Oh!
So in the same approach, I would go to the E vowel sound.
Okay, these ones seem like more fun to do.
Like a eh.
Nice.
Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave Maria. If you can almost think of the note prior to it as being your most important note. So Ave Ma, if like Ma being the note right before E, if you can almost think of that being like the most troublesome point, and if you nail that, then you're golden. It will take the pressure and the strain off of the impact you're gonna give that super high note that you're worried about.
True, because sometimes when I'm singing, I'm like, should I do this note? Should I not? And then I try to do it, and then maybe I can't. It doesn't sound quite right. But then I'm like, no, this is just a note. This is me singing. This is just a note. Let me get that fear out of the way, and let me actually try to do the note. I'm expecting the note. I'm gonna do the notes, and I'm gonna do the note. And yeah, you kind of take that fear away of reaching that note. You make it the most important. You know it's going to get there. So you know you're prepared and you're going to do the note. Lara. It's also very specific to their voices if you listen, because they're all three of them, they're not doing the same thing, and also they're doing something that fits to their voice, to their tone, to their way of singing also, and their range. Sing. Come on. How do you go from two people belting to Selena Gomez? That, it was no shade. I love my Selena. No shade. And I really mean no shade at all. But you put, and not only that, but it's like two people sustaining, and then you just see Selena Gomez. And then her name is spelled wrong. It's with a Z. Wait, is it spelled? Isn't it with a Z? I swear it's with a Z. If I'm wrong and he's right, then no, I'm right. I think it's with a Z. Selena Gomez. It's with a Z. I knew I was right. That's a correct spelling though in Portuguese. Like we say Gomes. So like the S is right. That's not like that's not like a made up word. Like the last name Gomez with the S exists, but hers with Z. But you know, that was just, you know, let's move on. But see what I mean? Also unique to their ranges, because she doesn't have the biggest range, but she's obviously, she still has to do vocal warm-ups because she's still gonna sing, but like unique to her range. She's not gonna do like high head voice like Christina did, or those crazy runs or whatever, but she's gonna do something that fits her. Don't get softer on the top. I do. When you go to the top, it's like, it's easy to just transition into a lighter tone. See? Don't get softer on the top. Let me try and do. Yeah, kinda. She looks so good here. Is she singing to... Is that one of those things that you use to unclog the drain? Like the thing you pull? Like... No, I don't think it is. It looked like it though. Okay, here we go.
Are we ready to walk in?
No, not yet.
How close are we? Okay.
Like, yeah. You like move your mouth like a little bit. Yeah. A little bit of breath. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, Dios mío. That hurt on another level. Hi, Ariana Grenade. Should I put my hair up, down? Did I give Ariane? Did I give Ariana or no?
Sorry about it.
Doing the lip drum roll on the whistle must be so cool. Kelly!
Let's go. 2 times normal, staccato, go. 10 minutes. Gotcha. 9.
Excuse me, I didn't mean to. I burp a lot. That's my problem. When I'm, it's so infuriating when I'm like trying to sing or doing like a vocal warm up or even recording the videos and I burp in the middle. I'm like, motherfucker. But anyway.
Ready? Start with goo.
Goo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goo. Oh. Goo. That's too much. Wait. Hey. Period. Madonna.
Okay, here's one.
She sings? Oh, that was it. What did I say in the beginning? Let me now find out Camilla's in this. First of all, I just want to say congratulations to my powers because they're obviously working.
I can't stand it. Stand it.
That's
I can't stand it. How fitting. Wow. I really predicted that now.
the
Wow.
weird one. There's also.
Nobody does that. Yeah, she would do that because she's not singing, actually. She doesn't say... What is she saying? What is she saying, actually? Yeah, she would do those weird vocal warm-ups instead of actual good vocal warm-ups that would help your voice. Yeah, yeah.
There's also. Okay, this is the last one.
No, bye. We don't need any more. Okay, Taylor. What does Taylor do?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I like the lip roll. And the goo goo. And I like the ones that are like staccatos because that helps pronunciate or pronounce and enunciate. It's one of the words. Yeah, one of the two. It helps enunciate the words better. Not meow. This is literally me. This is literally me. Before I record, I'm like with my laptop, just doing me. Yeah. What is that?
Good sound.
I mean, that's annoying, but no kidding. That's high. If she wants to go to that higher place or do a note that high, she now knows the place because she did that sound. So she kind of knows the placement of that note. So if she wants to do the note, it's easier because she already knows where it is. But I feel like I want to see her do a vocal warm-up like recently, like 2024 Taylor. Her voice is so good now. Ugh.
Dying.
But she would do the meow. She would do the meow, you know, childless cat lady.
No. That's what I have to say to that.
I'm childless dog. No, not dog. What would it be called? A childless dog girly. Childless dog girly. Yeah. That's good. That's a good one. That's the end, right? Yeah. Okay, so interesting. But like I said, every artist needs to do vocal warm-ups because it helps. And so, sure, I said, let me not find out Camilla's in this, but even if she was, I'm like, maybe she's doing an actual exercise. But not only did I predict that she was going to be here, that's the clip they chose for her. Because maybe that interview was a joke, you know? Yeah, maybe it was a joke. I get you, Camilla. It was a joke. Yeah, it's so funny. Side eye. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you sing, what exercises do you do? And if you use a YouTube video or whatever, you know, leave the title down below because I want to try them. And, you know, try new exercises and new things for my voice too. So let's talk in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.